Who am I speaking with?
Dr. Michelle Charles, Member of Parliament for St. Thomas East 3rd.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big Super. We're there in the community at Dumfries, in the vicinity of Lyssons, where the paving start on the road here, and we on the scene here to just take a look what's taking place today. It's a Sunday. Yeah, it's a Sunday. And the viewers and subscribers, them start down at the bridge. Yeah, them start down at the bridge. It's about 12:26 to be exact. Yeah. The 5th of March. Yeah, 12:26. Me just look on my clock. Just to make sure me have the timing right. So them do the from Dumfries to the hospital, them do the right side of the road. So we're right in front of this road sidebar. You know, remember the road sidebar. So them do the right side of the road. So we just have to take a walk and we are go back up. Yeah. And we are go back up the road and we are look for what's going on. And the new contractors will take over the job after 3 years. Them take less than 3 months and grade the road, mall the road, and resurface the road. I know them are pave the road. So it's a good look, my viewers and subscribers. It's a good look because it's heading to 4 years now, and I don't know if it's call it overdue, but it leads you to ask the question. One set of contractors was taking over 3 years, at least over 2 years, and now the new contractors then will take over the road and take less than 3 months. Some of viewers and sub were heading in the direction of the hospital. Yeah. We're heading in the direction of the hospital. And see the fire truck there. So we're heading in the direction of the hospital. So it's a good look. Some of you are so.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
You have to send that to me.
Let me send it to you.
You have to send that to me. That's exactly how I feel when I can't say it.
All right, that's okay. Who am I speaking with?
Dr. Michelle Charles, Member of Parliament for St. Thomas East 3rd.
Well, you're talking to the top blogger. The blogger will walk out St. Thomas.
Yes.
And trust me, I have a million questions, but I have to sit down in your office and talk with you.
Okay.
Because
today is just a celebration day.
Yeah, because all of St. Thomas,
yes,
they're on my back. You might not know that.
Okay.
But you're speaking with Big Super.
All right.
The man who do the 4K, the man who walk out the whole of Dalby, walk out Bath, walk out every community in the eastern St. Thomas. This blogger here do that. Okay. On foot, not in a car.
Well, that's good. You're healthy and strong.
You have to look me up, Big Super.
Okay.
And you'll be there.
I will look you up, Big Super.
And may I ask you the question?
Yes.
This phase of the road here was taking place.
Yes.
It take less than 3 months. The other set were gone take more than 2 to 3 years. And this is a good look.
Yes.
But despite you're here today representing the people them, I wish you were here all the while because
I'm here all the time.
I don't see you.
See me.
I just don't see you.
Well, sometimes I'm not someone that you can always see because I'm not normally dressed up as a member of Parliament.
Well,
but I'm often on the road.
When I'm going to suggest to you,
yes,
walk the ground with me.
I'll walk with you.
Yeah, because
I have no problem walking
because
with you.
I'm a walkathon. I do a lot of 4K.
All right. So let me give you my personal number and then we can walk together. Then you can spend some time with me. No problem.
Yeah, because you see, if me get to know you,
the
people them at St. Thomas, we get to know you more.
No problem.
You understand?
My pleasure.
And if the people them at St. Thomas know you more, then we understand why things the way it is.
Yes.
You understand
well,
me?
A lot of St. Thomas knows me. As you can see, every car that passes by knows that I'm here. It doesn't say that I'm Michelle Charles and my vehicle is not on the road.
Yeah.
So how do they know me?
Yeah.
They must know that I'm who I am because my vehicle's in the shop.
Yeah.
So nobody can see my vehicle, but
Right.
they're still blowing and saying, hi, MP. So
Yeah.
more people know me than you think know me. But
Okay.
I'd be happy to
Yeah.
walk with you. My pleasure.
Yeah.
My pleasure to
And,
walk
and,
with you.
and so how long this phase now, may I walk?
Yes.
So this with this phase going on now, how long will it last and can it complete before the end done? Before the month?
Well, hi, how are you? How she know me?
Well,
Ah.
yeah,
See, just because you know me, don't know me, nobody don't know me. Just
All right.
because you don't know me,
yeah.
it's
So,
good for you to get to know me. But I'm going to bring you because you're the top blogger.
Yeah.
And if you're the top blogger, then you need to speak to the top people that know all about it.
yeah,
I'm just the representative of the people, and I
Yeah.
make sure I get the right people here.
Okay.
That's the reason why you see so many people here that have a different eye shape than
Yeah.
us. Well,
Yeah.
on.
yeah,
Yeah, you know?
yeah.
And as you can see,
Yeah.
many people seem to know me, eh?
Yeah.
So you're the
So-
only
so-
one that don't know me, eh?
No, because you see, I'll be
Do
walking
I,
up
have a
and down.
sign? Do I have a sign that says I'm the MP on?
No, but
Okay.
I'll be walking up and down all over the community. I'll get maybe them
Yeah.
pretending that they don't know you.
Well, maybe when you walk with me, you'll be in shock.
Yeah,
But I don't have a problem with you speaking to the team here.
Yeah.
This is the team from China Harbor. We have engineers here.
yeah.
One of the bloggers in St. Thomas Eastern would
Big
like
super.
to speak to the team.
Yeah.
And
I'm
we do
familiar
want-
with
we
a
want to get
gentleman
the
here.
word out
Yeah,
that the team here has really worked hard.
right.
Promises were made
Yeah.
after we really asked them to come and take over the work.
Yeah.
Promises were made, and today promises are kept.
Okay.
So we'd love to have you listen to what they have to say.
Yeah.
And if you have questions, feel free to ask Mr. Anderson. He'll be
Yeah.
happy to answer them for you.
All right. So one of the main burning question is, how long can it take to finish this leg?
In terms of what? The overall leg?
Yeah, the asphalt, especially if it keep down the dust. The dust are one of the main thing right
That's a
now.
very good question.
We have targeted 3 specific areas, 3 kilometers to be exact.
Yeah,
So we are doing between the Nuts River Bridge
yeah,
to the double cell box culvert, so that will capture the hospital, the Lyssons beach, the
Yeah.
Lyssons area. And then we're going to do from Johnstone Crossing
yeah,
to the White River Bridge.
Yeah.
That's another 800 meters. So that will capture Patty Shop, that whole area.
okay,
And then we'll do from where the other detour is passing the single box culvert
yeah,
and closing to where the asphalt was done before.
okay.
So we intend to get all of that done so within a week and a half.
All right. But that sounds like a miracle compared to who was before. I do it 2.5, 3 years.
Well, we're not going to
Yeah.
badmouth anyone.
Yeah,
I would say that they probably tried their best,
yeah.
but we had to pull in some experts.
I'm a member, you don't have to go in a parliament
Yes,
and kick up a storm
Yes, we
just
did
to
have
get rid
to
of them.
No, I wouldn't
Yeah.
say get rid of them.
Yeah,
We're still
but-
working
Yeah,
in tandem, 'cause
okay.
they're still completing the water.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, though, as them
But you'd have to
said,
really kick up a storm to get them moving then. Put
yeah,
it
to
that
get
way.
them moving. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
I don't want to say to get rid of them.
Yeah, but to get them moving. And we like where I go on, the community like where I go on, and if them can get some alleviation within the next month and 2, then we really appreciate
That's
it.
the intention, and we intend to work to that.
All right.
We're
Bless
getting
you.
some relief currently because just with the asphalt and the oiling from last night has really lowered the dust nuisance already.
Yeah, yeah.
So people whose homes are very close to the edge,
Yeah,
they're not going to have as much dust inside. So already today is going to
Yeah.
be a good relief for them. What I would like to say is to the residents of St. Thomas Eastern and to those passengers in the car and to those drivers driving through to please take their time. I know when you see new asphalt, you want to step on the gas, but I'm asking you all that we don't want to have any accidents on the road. We know it's nice to have smooth road, but please drive
carefully.
carefully.
All right.
And ride your bike with your helmet and be careful on our good road.
All right. People hear that from the MP,
Yes.
Miss Charles. Peace out.